was awesome.
I've been to Doe River 6 times and Doe River is awesome.
It was epic. Epic, best way to describe it.
And I love Doe River Gorge.
There are so many fun things to do here. I especially love how we get to climb a lot.
Zip line is the best part. And the Unimog.
See, I've been here 6 times. My favorite thing is the blob.
You can walk.
Sometimes I struggle with believing if there really is a God.
I've been going through like a lot of hard times and just like dealing with like depression.
But I never really wanted to, give my life to Christ because I felt like that would be a burden on me because I'd have to follow all the rules.
But I didn't really understand the true concept of God.
I struggled with like depression issues and like self-worth issues.
I was always struggling with sin and temptation.
I had been dealing with doubt.
I've suffered with sin a lot.
I was iffy about God.
I grew up in a Christian family, but I never really truly believed in God.
I never felt really connected with God.
I've always had questions and I've always had missing like pieces of me.
I became a Christian this week.
This week was like the best week I've ever been here, and I think it's grown my faith so much.
This camp has brought me closer to God, and I love it here.
Now I have a new identity, and I'm ready to live my rest of my life as a new Christian.
I gave my life to Christ, and I'm really excited.
Now, me and my friend are both saved in Christ, and I'm really glad that we are.
This week has inspired me to trust in Jesus, and I was actually saved this morning. This camp just brings me so close to God.
And last night, for the first time, I accepted Christ in my heart fully and gave him my stool.
That there is a God who loves us. He will never abandon us even if we upset him. There's no way that he's going to let go of us.
And this week, I was really reminded about how to worship God.
I got home and I changed my life, like for the better. And I've been clean for a year now, which is awesome.
And I'm gonna let God use me for whatever he pleases.
I decided tonight to give my life to full-time missions.
The Christmas train is almost here, and if you've never experienced it before, let me give you a quick rundown of what this place is all about. In the summertime, Dry Gulch USA is a place where kids come from all over the country to be at one of the best camps anywhere. But when it gets chilly outside, this place transforms into a magical Christmas experience for the whole family, and it hosts over 50,000 visitors through the holiday season. The Christmas train is run by the people of Church on the Move, and when I say run, I mean they volunteer. 350 volunteers a night work for free to make this place a spectacular night for you and your family. We love doing this for the community. In fact, this is our favorite thing to do as a church every year because we love to open the gates of Dry Gulch and share the true story of Christmas with you and your family. This year is a great time for you to come visit. Get ready for your new family Christmas tradition. The Christmas train is so much more than a train ride. It's like visiting an Old West Christmas village. Carolers are singing, Main Street is lit up and decorated, and you can smell the warm campfires and all the amazing food that Dry Gulch has to offer. Now, when you come to Christmas Train, you definitely want to come hungry. You've got to check out the cowboy chili and pecan smoked brisket. For dessert, check out the espresso bar, the brand new pie shop, or grab a fresh baked maple cinnamon roll at the Main Street Bakery. There's also lots for your family to do. Your kids are gonna love the carousel and the horse-drawn wagon ride, and they can even visit Santa himself. Don't miss the hilarious puppet show in Grand River Theater. It may just be your kid's favorite moment of the night. Between all the attractions and Christmas shops filled with ornaments and gifts, there is never a dull moment at Christmas Train, and the highlight of your night is gonna be riding the train. You'll hear the true story of Christmas like you've never heard it before. It's like riding through a life-size storybook. It all starts the day after Thanksgiving and runs through December 23rd. Tickets go on sale on Wednesday, November 5th at 12:01 a.m. at ridethechristmastrain.com. We hope to see you and your family at the Christmas Train really soon. Merry Christmas.